In this tutorial I will guide you through drawing a beautiful lotus flower with simple and structured steps. Grab your pencil and let's get started. For the first step, use a light pencil. Start by drawing 3 guiding lines. One straight vertical line in the middle and 2 curved lines on each side. In front of this, draw 2 more curved lines, slightly lower to define the front petals. Now you can start shaping the first 5 petals around the lines. Make the petals long, delicate and slightly pointed to capture the essence of the lotus flower. Don't worry if you do any messy lines, we will be correcting those later when refining the details. Now you have sketched your center petals. Let's expand the flower with more petals. Add side petals curving outward to give the flower a fuller and more natural appearance. Continue to draw petals both behind and in front of the center to create depth. Right angles and avoid perfect symmetry. A lotus looks more natural with slight imperfections. Correct petals if necessary. Refine the shape of each petal by giving them gentle curves and soft folds. Now you can start to outline the final shape of your flower. You need to use a thicker pencil or pen. Go over the sketch and define the final outlines. Carefully erase all unnecessary sketch lines to clean up the drawing. Correct any details if needed and make sure the composition looks balanced. Now your lotus flower is complete. You can leave it as it is or you can add shading, ink or color. Thank you for watching and remember to like and subscribe.